Can you finance RV parks with SBA financing? And the answer is yes, you can. You can even finance turnaround parks, meaning an RV park that is having some occupancy issues, is mismanaged. Maybe the debt service coverage ratio is a little bit lower than the normal 1.15 requirements. If you have a good plan, you definitely can get SBA 504 or 7A financing. The 7A sometimes is more advantageous because you can build in working capital, you can build in some of the salary requirements to get you off the ground and running after you take on ownership of the property. So you can do value add type of projects with the 7A. And you'd also want to use the 7A because it's got a shorter prepayment penalty on these turnaround properties, because typically you're buying it for $1 million, you're putting $400,000 into improvements, you're stabilizing, you're increasing occupancy levels, you're forcing appreciation on the RV park, and now the valuation, you're all in at $1.4 million on the project, and the stabilized value is $2.8 million. So after year 3, there's no prepayment penalty. You refinance using new stabilized value. It now appraises at, let's call it 2.5, 2.7. You can borrow 65 or 70% of that, depending on the DSCR at the moment. And there you go. You just did a almost a bridge loan with an SBA 7A financing. So, and the nice thing about the 7A is that they're okay with the smaller tertiary markets. I mean, bank by bank, all the banks have certain overlays, but most of the banks are pretty liberal because a portion of their loan is guaranteed by the SBA. So that's why you get the highest leverage you can using SBA financing versus conventional. You might be at 60% leverage versus on this transaction between 80 to 90% leverage on this business acquisition financing. So SBA 7A is an amazing tool for RV parks, along with sometimes the 504 is also an amazing tool, depending on the overall plan with the RV park. So hope that helps. If you have any questions on financing RV parks, book a call below. Thanks so much.
Hi, this is Beau Eckstein, host of the Investor Financing Podcast. Are you a real estate investor with properties and you're trying to figure out how to refinance or grow your existing real estate business? Need some clarity and a game plan for moving forward? I'm offering a free strategy call where we dive deep on your real estate investing goals. I'll help you come up with a strategic finance plan that will help you get to where you want to go. Whether you've got a portfolio of 30 properties or you're starting out with your first property, I have a framework that has helped many investors grow. If you're interested, book a call below in the Calendly link.